Hello friends, today we will learn how to start earning from Shopify dropshipping in USA. You can see there are a lot of websites, but I will recommend you Shopify how to start dropshipping business 2022 playbook Shopify, and click here. You can see the heading and learn how to start a dropshipping business like any type of, and some are mandatory from the outset. First of all, how does the dropshipping business model work? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that lets their store owners sell directly to consumers without stocking any inventory. When a customer purchases a product from a dropshipping store, a third party supplier ships it directly to them. The customer pays the retail price you set, you pay the supplier wholesale. Three common ways to find a supplier from your dropshipping store are through a supplier database like Alibaba or AliExpress, using an integrated supplier directory in your store's back and directory in your store's backend, like. And the easiest dropshipping process for Shopify store owners is through DSERS. You can source millions of products. And is dropshipping really profitable? Yes, dropshipping can be profitable business model for merchants because you are not responsible for shipping or manufacturing. It's a low risk business model that doesn't incur huge costs like wholesalers. How much can you make as a dropshipper? There are many dropshippers who make up to $1 lakh per day with a successful dropshipping store. So, if your idea of being a successful dropshipper is to make $1 lakh per year, you will need to choose the right supplier. How hard is it to start a dropshipping business? Starting a dropshipping business can be highly competitive because you can start a dropshipping business for free. You may face a lot of companies who are selling a specific product at similar prices. Where to find dropshipping business for sale? If you don't want to create a dropshipping business from scratch, you can find a dropshipping business